Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Thursday, December 13th, and we're going to take a look really quick at two of the trades from the futures trading room today that played out really well. And those were both long entries in crude oil. And both of them were from the same type of setup, which is a compression breakout. Now, the second one was a compression breakout. We're showing it here on Renko, but the second one was a compression breakout that also triggered at the same time as a 30-minute bull flag, which you hear me talk about bull and bear flags all the time and what those are and how we look to trade them. But the first one, you can see here, we were just chopping around sideways in crude oil, doing nothing, and then all of a sudden, we started to run. And you see our momentum picked up here. We started to run higher, so we had a breakout on momentum, and we broke through that pivot high on price, as well as having the confirmation from the Trender Pro, which is changing the price bar colors. Trender Pro changed to green, saying, hey, it's bullish. This is a fast-moving, bullish move. So it ended up confirming the breakout. We took off from there. That was about 50.88 and ran all the way up to a high of 51.80. So, or just about 51.80. So just about 90 ticks or so, or $900 a contract. Now, if you were trailing your stops based on pivots, that means you exited all the way up here at about 51.46, or if you closed when your Trender Pro changed color, you were exiting at about 51.55 or so. So not a bad move. You're talking about $600-700 per contract. So worked out really well. Now, the second entry was the same thing. We went back into compression here, started chopping around, moving sideways. And if you were in the trade room, you know when this started to pull back, we said wait at least 30 minutes. It needs to consolidate for about 30 minutes, and then it will have the okay to head higher. And the reason we were not trading this initial break here, this false rally that pulled back, is because we didn't have the 30-minute bull flag confirmation. Whereas a secondary one triggered on a break above 51.60, and that triggered the bull flag on the 30s as well. So that triggered here with, once again, nice bullish momentum on the MQ momentum. The Trender Pro changes to green. We break through the pivot high, gives you your long entry just above 51.61. And away we went. We took off before forming this double top up here and starting to pull back at around 52.10 or so. So you're talking another $500 per contract worth of an up move there. So overall, worked out really well. A lot of people in the trade room making money. Consistently taking money out of the markets with these strategies. And again, we're going to be teaching a whole workshop on this at the end of the month on the 27th on how to trade Renko and how to trade these setups in Renko. So looking forward to that. But that is it for today. I hope you learned something. Again, one of the big things you want to watch for is just compression. And then once it breaks out of compression and starts to run, you can see we had a breakdown earlier this morning. And then yesterday, one of the trades I was taking in the afternoon, for example, was we compressed right here and then broke down from there. So it's, once again, just compression breakouts is what we were trading there. Sorry about that. And they work extremely well and are very, very easy to identify when trading with Renko price bars. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying these videos. I will see you in the next one. And until next time, everybody, happy trading.